Keith!
Oh, Chef Ramsay!
How are you, sir? Good to see you.
Nice, good to see you.
Now, Chef William said that we've got a strong possibility of getting more protein ahead of the big cook.
Yeah, so I brought a means of transportation for you.
Yes.
Chef William,
Did you forget
explained to me you're a man that enjoys a challenge. So, I brought these. Yeah. So these are hand paddles.
For your...
This is the, no, they go in your hand, see, just like this.
Hand paddles?
Yeah, it's very intuitive.
Oh my Lord.
You got long arms, I think you're gonna rock this. Let's get suited up.
Let's go, Captain. I'm in your hands, my man. This is so beautiful.
Yeah, that's one of the most wonderful things about paddling whitewater is you see places few people see.
Man.
Keith makes using these hand paddles look easy, but it isn't for me. The only thing harder than paddling with them would be cooking with them.
And it should seem rather intuitive, but you want to keep your boat in line with the water. You're exposing the side of the boat to catch a rock and tump you out.
Kayaks are amazing fun, but when you got a paddle, you got so much more control.
Go around this.
When you're paddling with your hands, then 15, 20 minutes in, you're going to get tired.
Stay away from that rock. Oh no!
This is exactly what I was hoping to avoid.
Now you see why I don't want you to touch the rocks?
Keith, this stays between you, me, and the river.